Hello everybody, I am back with the third installation of FGNORMAL. This is the last of the items that were sent to me, and thank you so much FGNORMAL. This one's fun. This one's just fun stuff, okay? Fun stuff. Let's just get right to it so you can see how much fun we have in this one. Just love it. Okay, so here is an item that they sent to me that I did not order myself. He threw this one in there, and it's super cute, super cute. It's a little bubble round little frog with some dragonflies. It's little, it's tiny. See, it's an 18 by 18 centimeter, but it's super cute, right? Super cute. I wonder what color the background's gonna be, because it's definitely bubble rounds. You can find a cute little frame to put that in. I mean, he's adorable. He's just adorable. Let's see, what's our background? Let's find out. Oh, well, we have black and white. Okay, we have black and white. Those just came out. Oh, it's blue. Look, it's a pretty blue. So there's the small, the medium, and the larger. So the whole background will be blue. Well, that makes sense. Like he's either the sky or in the water. Cool. Oh, look, then we have green in 3 sizes. Oh, does the frog get all bubbly too? They're small, a medium, and a larger one. Nice. Oh, look it. We have a small and a medium gold. Huh. Look at this. This even has a small, a medium, and a larger one. Wow, there's more bubbling going on here than I thought there was going to be, right? So the background, 1, 2, and 3 is the white. The greens, okay, cool. Where's the gold's going to go? I don't know. Maybe just the dragonflies? I don't know. He's really bubbly. I like him. He's going to turn out cute, right? And quick and easy. He'll be easy to do, right? Because, I mean, he's 18 centimeters by 18 centimeters. It won't take long at all. Won't take long at all. Well, okay, while we're talking about bubbles, bubble round, let's just look at, there's Stitch. Stitch in bubbles, right? So again, 4, 5, and 6 are going to be bubbles. That's probably it. But we got quite a few special drills with that one too. Again, what color will the background be? Who knows? It's always a mystery. I don't know. According to the picture up there, it looks tan. Well, okay, gold. How about gold? There's the large gold, medium gold, small gold, 2 bags. We're doing all the special end first. There we go. There's the pretty special ones. Nice, nice. A green, that's pretty. That's pretty. The purple teardrops and some gold balls. And the rest should be rhinestones. Love that color. Love that color. And then we have some black. That should be really cute, right? So the bubble rounds are so much fun. If you haven't done any, I did have somebody comment one day. They were like, well, bubble rounds aren't my thing, but you've been showing some cute ones. Well, good, good. This one is just a basket of flowers, but look at all of the special drills. Look at all of those larger special drills. Really, it looks like just green rhinestones for the background, maybe. Maybe a couple other colors, but everything else looks like it's going to be special drills, you guys. Oh, and there's some fun ones in here. There's some fun ones. I like when I get to see a little sneak peek and you guys don't see them yet. Okay, so here's a rhinestone. Clear. Got a clear. What else do we have? 3 greens. Yep, okay, clear and 3 greens. That's our rhinestones. That's it. Now we have pearls. We have some white, like flat-topped, some blue pearls, some iridescent teardrops, gold faceted. I love these. These are so pretty. Love those. They're smooth, and I love those. Big gold faceted. And then here's the one that I saw the sneak peek of. Look at there. I used to think that these were just like for fishy things and whatnot, the scale looking things, but I've gotten them for flowers several times lately. That's going to turn out really pretty, isn't it? Be really pretty. All right. Like I told you, this is a fun unboxing. Lots of fun stuff. This is just a quilled owl. Quilling, right? Paper quilling, all the twirly stuff. Only specials, I think, are here. Maybe, some here. Not a lot. A lot of rhinestones, but it's super cute. 10 different shapes. Just an owl on a branch with some flowers. Is that an apple tree? Is it a cherry tree? What is it? What blossom is that? It's either apple or cherry. All right, here's our rhinestones. Clear, pink, orangey color, pink, green, gold, ooh, red, deep maroon red, green, and here's our specials. Oh, look at those. Those are pretty. I've gotten these so many times in that orange color. It's nice to get something a little different. Just a nice white pearl color, like that. That'll be cute, won't it? That'll be awesome. Look, folded back up, ready to put them back in the bag. Love it. Okay, 2 more things. And one I've been waiting for excitedly. This is one that he asked if I had. He'd like to just show it to me. Here is what their toolkit looks like. This one has a little string because it's a hanging. All right. Marry everything. No, I do not have one of these. It is foam. Okay. And then special drills. So rhinestones, some larger special drills here and there. Marry everything. And then there are holes, 2 holes here and here to put the string through so that it hangs. Fun. Not a whole lot to drill on these, so they're quick, they're easy, and they make just a nice, cute little decoration, don't they? They make a cute decoration. Look at the little packet of drills. It's only that big, right? So, I mean, you could do that in, what, an hour? Maybe. Yeah. All right. What do we have? What do we have? I didn't actually intend to leave the last item to the end, but that's kind of how it worked. Oh, look at these. Those are cool. Wow, I've never had those before. I love finding new things I've never had before, right? Those are pretty. Faceted. A little larger red. Large red. Very smooth. Some black. Faceted teardrops. More faceted teardrops. Nice. That'll be fun. That will be fun. There we are. Folded up, ready to put it back in the bag again. Sometimes you do this enough and it's easy. Okay. This one, I've been waiting for this order so I could see this because I'm super excited about this. And I really want to do this one. All right. I saw somebody talk about it somewhere and they told me that they saw these and I was like, oh, okay. And I went looking and I found them. All right. What do I have? Okay. Do you see what I have? I have drills. I have brushes. I have paint. What? Say what? Right? Here's the toolkit. Yeah. This is paint. Paint brushes and drills and my canvas. It is a mixed media painting. Yep. So all of this down here is diamond painted. Okay. The lighthouse, the greenery, it's all diamond painted. The sky is painted. Right? So you see, this is paint by number. Wow. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 colors of paints. Oh, look at the pretty colors. They're like pastel purples and pinks, blue. Okay, so that's going to be our sky. And they come like this, all kitted up. And you get 2 paint brushes with it. A wider one and a little fine one. Okay, cool. So all of the sky is painted. Numbers 1 through 6 are the sky painted. And then the rest of this is diamond painted. I just thought it was such a unique concept. Now, how would you do this? I know how I would do it I would do the painting first because I think I'd be messy with the paint. So I would paint the sky first and then do the diamond painting. I'd be afraid if I did all the diamond painting first, then I'd get paint on it. You know what I mean? They had like 3, 4 of these possibly different pictures. I just thought it was such a unique thing. I had to get one. I really want to try this. Oh my gosh, little tiny, tiny little spaces. Well, at least there's not a lot to paint. At least there's not a ton to paint. Anyhow, so there's that. It just, the whole concept is just intriguing to me. You know, doing something different with our diamond painting is always, that's why I like the special off-canvas projects so much, because it's just doing something a little unique, something a little different. Look at the pretty colors. Some grays and brown, tan colors. Look at all the pinks. Must be some pretty pink flowers. Orange and red. I know there's a lot of greenery. I know that. Blue, blue, green. And then brown, green, and off-white. Isn't this cool, though? I really want to work on that. I really want to work on it. I have a couple paint by numbers I have not tackled yet. It just seemed overwhelming to me, but this seems manageable. I mean, you just paint that little bit, make a beautiful sky, which is the background. What do you think? I think it's pretty cool. All right, that is it for FGNORMAL for now, you guys. Thank you so much, FGNORMAL, for sending me these wonderful things to show everybody. And I hope that you find something that you like along the way. I will link the items below so you can check them out for yourself. And check out FGNORMAL. They're a good company to work with for our budget-friendly companies. Narrowing my things down, you guys. Narrowing down. Yeah. All right. Okay. Hit the like button, subscribe, all those things, and come back and see more videos later because, you know, I'll have more. All right. Have a great day, everybody. And, hey, enjoy the view. All right. See you soon.